Hi everyone, so a short but sweet announcement video just to let you all know that I'm putting together a 7-day series which is going to be called Yoga for Beginners. So over this 7 days I'm going to be taking you through 7 different yoga practices. Some might be asana, some might be pranayama or other elements of yoga that you might not have heard of before. If you're already subscribed here, then this is a good place for you to continue your practice, and if you're new here, it's a great place for you to start your yoga journey. This is tied in with something I have coming up really soon, so in a couple of weeks time you'll be hearing a little bit more about that. But for now, all you'll need for this practice and this 7 days are 2 blocks and a bolster if you have one. If not, just a rolled up blanket or a cushion will be fine. But for now, I invite you to join me on this challenge, or not challenge if you don't want to call it a challenge, but you might certainly find some aspects of these practices challenging, but not to worry, all will be good because it's all beginner friendly. So I hope you enjoy the next 7 days with me, and I can't wait for you to explore more along your journey.